Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Mopzlink RGB underwater LED light for Inground Pool 12-volt 40-watt. Mopzlink LED underwater pool lights can provide super brightness to light up a 40,000-gallon pool, equivalent to 300 to 400-watt pool bulb. It also saves your electricity bill by more than 80%. Unscrew the old lamp to replace the LED pool light bulb, as it is compatible with Pentair Amerlite, Hayward Astrolite series. The RGB Pool Light Bulb has many light choices. Blue, red, and green colors can be mixed and matched into various color combinations of your preference. Features: super bright and 80% energy saving, remote control and switch control, easy to install with medium base E26. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.